लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે પ્રોબેબિલિટી એનો ટાઈપ 2 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ ટાઈપ 3 ઇન્વર્સ ઓફ પ્રોબેબિલિટી ઓર બાયર્સ થિયરમ. એની અંદર ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ ઇવેન્ટ્સ એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી, inverse probability, these information are the given in example. On the basis of this we have to find out joint event. Say for example A માટે એની probability થશે P of A, એના માટે inverse થશે D by A, એની જોઈન્ટ થશે P of A મલ્ટીપ્લાઈડ બાય P of D by A. સેમ વે B માટે P of B પ્રોબેબિલિટી, એની જોઈન્ટ પ્રોબેબિલિટી D by B, એનું મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન કરશું એટલે આપણે મળશે એની જોઈન્ટ પ્રોબેબિલિટી P of B મલ્ટીપ્લાઈડ બાય P of D by B. થર્ડ P of C, P of D by C, P of C multiplied by P of D by C. એનો આપણે સમ કરશું એટલે આપણે મળશે જોઈન્ટ પ્રોબેબિલિટી. સે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ એવું કીધું હોય કે આપણે A માટેની ઇવેન્ટ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની છે તો કે P of A by D ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે. સો P of A by D is equal to joint probability of A divided by total joint probability. Say for example B માટે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે તો કે B by D is equal to joint probability of B divided by total joint probability. અને C માટે કીધું હોય તો P of C by D is equal to joint probability of C divided by total joint. First example, a manager is to be chosen from the person A, B and C. The chance of selection is in proportion 5:2:3. The probability that the wage will increase by these three is respectively 1/2, 1/3 and 1/5. If it is known that the wage will be increased, find the probability that C will be selected as a manager. First of all, events, any probability, inverse probability and joint probability. ઇવેન્ટ A મેનેજર A સિલેક્ટ થશે એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી આપેલી છે. A will be selected એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી થશે 5/10. B will be selected એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી થશે 2/10 and C will be selected એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી થશે 3/10. So A ની 5/10, B ની 2/10, C ની 3/10. Okay. Inverse probability for A, if A is selected and wage will be increased, so this is 1/2. If B will selected and wage will increase, 1/3. If A is selected and wage is increased, 1/5. So 5/10 multiplied by 1/2, 2/10 multiplied by 1/3, 3/10 multiplied by 1/5. So 5/20, 2/30 and 3/50. So એનો ટોટલ કરશું એટલે આપણે મળશે ટોટલ જોઈન્ટ પ્રોબેબિલિટી. Total joint probability is 5/20 plus 2/30 plus 3/50. 150 આપણે LCM લેશું. 150 LCM, 150 by 20, that is 75 multiplied by 5, 37.5. So 150 by 20, 300 LCM લેશું. So 300 divided by 20, that is 5 multiplied by 50, 75, plus 10 વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે 20, plus 300 divided by 50, 6 multiplied by 3, that is 36. So 36 plus 75 plus 20, that is 131 divided by 300. 131 divided by 300. So manager C selected and wages increase. So we have to find out P of C by D. P of C by D, that is joint probability of C, joint probability of C divided by total joint probability. Joint probability of C, that is 3 by 50, and total joint probability 131 divided by 300. So 300, 3 by 50 multiplied by 300 multiplied by 131. 300 by 50, that is 6. 18 divided by 131. This is your answer. 18 divided by 131. Second example, example number 2. 3 machines in a factory produce respectively 20%, 50% and 30% of item daily. The percentage of defective item of machine is respective 3, 2 and 5. An item is taken at a random from the production. It is found to defective. Find the probability that will produce by machine C. Okay. First of all, event, any probability, inverse probability and joint probability. Okay. Say for example, first machine is A. Produced by first, production of first machine is 20%, that is 0.20. Production of second machine is 50%, that is 0.50. And production of third machine is 30%, that is 0.30. Inverse, defective item produced by machine A, that is 3 by 10, 0.3. Defective item produced by machine B, 2 by 10, 0.2. And defective item produced by machine 3, 5, that is 0.5. Joint probability 0.2 multiplied by 0.3, 0.06. 0.5 multiplied by 0.2, 0.5 multiplied by 0.2, that is 1. And 0.3 multiplied by 0.5, that is 0.15. Total of this is total joint probability 0.15 plus 1 plus 0.06, 1.21. We have to find out defective item produced by machine C. Defective items produced by machine C. So defective item produced by machine C, that is D by C, defective from machine C. Joint probability of C divided by total joint probability. C ની joint probability છે 0.15 અને total છે 1.21. 0.15 divided by 1.21, that is 0.12. This is your answer, 0.12. Next, example number 3. In a factory, 400 units of item are produced. There are 3 machines X, Y, Z in a factory. Y and Z produce equal number of items, while X produce double item than Z. The proportion item produced by XYZ are 2%, 1% and 3% respectively. An item is selected at a random from the total production and it is found to be defective. Find the probability that it come from machine Z. There are total 3 machines. X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. X produce double item than Z. If Z produce 1, then X produce 2. X and Y are produced, Y and Z are produced equal number of items. So Z is equal to 1, then Y is equal to also 1. So 2 is to 1 is to 1. So this is P of A, P of B, P of C. Event, probability, inverse probability and joint probability. So event X, Y, Z, that is P of A, P of B, P of C. If it is produced by machine X, that is 2 by 4. Produced by machine B, 1 by 4. Produced by machine C, 1 by 4. Inverse probability, defective item produced by machine X is 2%, that is 2 by 100. Machine Y, that is 1 by 100. And machine Z, that is 3 by 100. So 4 by 400, 1 by 400 and 3 by 400. Total of this is total joint probability. That is 8 by 400. Machine Z will select. So it is come from machine Z. So it is D by Z. Defective from machine Z. Joint probability of Z divided by total joint probability. Joint probability of Z is equal to 3 by 400 and total joint 8 is equal to 8 by 400. 400 cancel, 3 by 8 is your answer. 3 by 8. Next example. Example number 4. There are 7 white and 3 black ball in a one bag, 4 white and 6 black ball in another bag. a die is tossed and it's on number 4 or 5. Two balls are drawn from the first bag. If the number 1, 2, 3 and 6 is shown on die, two balls drawn are from second bag. If the both balls drawn are white, find the probability that they come from second. This is very important for us. This is very important sum for us. First bag, that is 7 white and 3 black ball. Total there are 10 ball, out of which 2 ball is selected. In second bag, that is 4 white and 6 black ball. Total there are also 10 ball. Out of them 2 ball is taken at a random. P of A એને આપણે અઝ્યુમ કરશું 4 or 5 on die. 4 or 5 on die. 4 ની probability 1 by 6, 5 ની probability 1 by 6, 2 by 6. P of B assume કરશું આપણે. P of B is equal to આપણે assume કરશું 1, 2, 3 or 6 on die. 1 ની 1 by 6, 2 ની 1 by 6, 3 ની 1 by 6, 6 ની 1 by 6, 4 by 6. P of B by D એટલે આપણે કહેશું 2 white ball from first bag. 2 white from first bag. 2 white from first bag. First bag ની અંદર total white છે 7. 7 out of 2, 7C2, 10, 10C2. 7 multiplied by 6 by 2, that is 21. 10 multiplied by 9 by 2, that is 45. 21 divided by 45. This is A by D. Same B by D. 2 white from second box, second bag. Second bag ની અંદર white છે 4. 4 out of 2, 4C2. Total 10C2. 6 divided by 45. Now table. Event, probability, inverse probability and joint probability. A, B, A ની probability છે 2 by 6, B ની probability છે 4 by 6, A ની ઇન્વર્સ છે 21 by 45, B ની ઇન્વર્સ છે 6 by 40. 21 multiplied by 2, 42 divided by 6 multiplied by 45, 270. 4 multiplied by 6, 24 divided by 270. And total 24 plus 42, 66 divided by 270. This is total joint probability. So it is come from second box. 2 white ball come from second bag. This is first bag, this is second bag. So joint probability of B divided by total joint probability. B ની joint probability 24 by 270. Total joint probability 66 by 270. So 24 by 66. 8 3s are 24. 8 by 22, 4 by 11. This is your answer, 4 by 11. Next, example number 5. In a bolt factory machine, ABC manufacture respectively 25, 35 and 40% of the total of their output. 5, 4 and 2% are defective bolt. A bolt is drawn at a random from the production and it is found to be defective. What is the probability that manufactured by machine A? P of A 25 by 100, P of B 35 by 100, P of C 40 by 100. It is come from machine A, defective from machine A, D by A. 5%, 5 by 100. Defective from machine B, 4 by 100. And defective from machine C, 2 by 100. Now prepare table. Events, probability, inverse probability and joint probability. A, B, C. P of A 2 by 25, so 25 by 100, P of B 35 by 100 and P of C 40 by 100. Inverse probability, D by A 5 by 100, D by B 4 by 100, D by C 1 by 100. Joint, 25 multiplied by 5, 125 divided by 10,000. 35 multiplied by 4, 175 divided by 10,000. 40 multiplied by 2, 80 multiplied by 10,000. So 125 plus 175 plus 80, 380 by 10,000. Total joint. It come from machine A. So P of A by D, defective from machine A. That is joint probability of machine A divided by total joint probability. So joint probability of machine A 125 divided by 20,000. Total joint, that is 380 divided by 10,000. 10,000 10,000 cancel. 125 divided by 380. 125 divided by 5, that is 25. 380 divided by 5, that is 76. 25 by 76. This is your answer. Next, example number 6. Suppose that one of the three men, a politician, a bureaucratic and an educationist, will be appointed as a vice chancellor of a university. The probability of appointment are respectively 0.2, 0.25 and 0.45. The probability that rich active will promote by these people if they are appointed is research activities will be promoted if they are appointed is 0.4, 0.7 and 0.8 respectively. What is the probability that research will be promoted by new vice chancellor? So P of A is equal to assume करशु આપણે politician. Any probability 0.3. P of B is equal to assume કરશુ આપણે bureaucrat. Any probability 0.25. અને P of C is equal to આપણે assume કરશુ economist, educanist. Any probability આવશે 0.45. Research activity promoted by A, that is D by A. Any probability 0.4. Research activity by bureaucrat, any probability 0.7. and research activities by educanist, any probability 0.8. total joint probability આપણે find કરવાની છે. event probability, inverse probability, and joint probability. Event A, B and C. 0.3, 0.25, 0.45. 0.4, 0.7, 0.8. 0.3 multiplied by 0.4, 0.12. 0.25 multiplied by 0.7, 0.0175. 0.8 multiplied by 0.45, 0.36. Total joint 0.12 plus 0.175 plus 0.66, 0.655. So research activity done, any probability thase 0.655, that is 0.66. This is your answer. Next, last of this type, example number 7. A manufacturing firm produce pipe in 2 plants, that is 1 and 2. Daily production 500 and 2000 pipes respectively. The fraction of defective pipe produced by 2 plants, that is 1 and 2, are 0.006 and 0.008 respectively. If a pipe selected at a random from that day production and found to be defective, what is the chance that it come from plant first? P of A, production of first plant, that is 1500 divided by 1500 plus 2000. P of B, production of second plant, that is 2000 divided by 1500 plus 2000. 1500 divided by 3500. 2000 divided by 3500. Defective from first plant, that is D by A, 0.006, that is 6 divided by 1000. P of D by B, defective from second plant, 0.008, that is 8 divided by 1000. Now prepare table. Event probability, inverse probability, joint probability. First plant, second plant. એની આપણે ઇવેન્ટ કીધી છે P of A, P of B. P of A એની probability છે 15 divided by 3500. 15 divided by 35 લખી નાખો. 20 divided by 35. 5 ભાગ આલે 15, 5 तेरी 15, 7 पंचा 35, 5 चौक 20, 7 पंचा 35, 3/7, 3/7, 4/7, 6/1000, 8/1000, 18/7000, 32/7000, 18 plus 32, 50/7000. Total joint. It come from first plant, defective from first plant, that is P of D by A, joint of A divided by total joint. Joint of A 18/7000, total joint 50/7000. 7000 cancel, 18/15, that is 9/25, 9/25 or 0.36. This is your answer. Here our type 3 is completed. In next session we will start our next type, that is type 4. Thank you.